What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome once again to another video. Let me thank you as usual for tuning in, and let you know as usual that it's highly appreciated. All right. So, guys, as usual, let me remind you, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell. All right. And please, guys, remember to comment and let me know what you think. All right. So, if you're looking at your screen right now, you will see an headline. For those of you who haven't heard or seen this before, if you have rented a car from Hertz, there could be a warrant out for your arrest. And that doesn't necessarily mean if you rented recently. You know what I mean? So, as you can see on the screen there, Paula Murray wasn't thinking about the car she had rented from Hertz in 2016, right? When she walked into a state police station in January of 2021 to finalize her new job as a dispatcher. So apparently she had gotten arrested, because of that car she had rented from Hertz. So it's a thing that Hertz is doing. I guess there's some what should I say now, unprofessionalism going on at Hertz, and that's almost all of the Hertz branches all over the states, all over the country, right? So, guys, this is really serious because people need to know to do their job properly, and unless Hertz is doing this purposefully, so they can charge their customers and probably get some monetary gains. But anyway, I'm gonna read something from an article here. So okay, so it says in recent court documents, Hertz reportedly acknowledged that it files 3,365 police reports about stolen cars involving its customers on average every year. Every year, right? So they're not joking around. For context, that would mean more than 23,000 of the car rental firms' customers have had theft charges levied against them over the past 7 years, reports USA Today. A total of 230 customers are now suing Hertz for false arrest, with some claiming false prosecution. One of them is a grandmother who goes by Paula Murray. That's the one I just read about a while ago on the headlines there, who was arrested in January 2021 for allegedly stealing a car. However, she did in fact return the car 5 years before her arrest and had her charges dismissed on March 30, according to USA Today. So, she's one of the lucky ones. Her charges have been dismissed. It added that false theft cases regarding Hertz rental units have been known to occur, but that the exact number of innocent customers is unclear. The court documents shows the group suing Hertz has spent a cumulative 2,742 days behind bars. Right? So there you have it. A lot of people have spent time behind bars for this. Additionally, lawyers on the suits claim there are even more warrants for arrests from people who have rented from Hertz. What we know is that 230 is not the majority. It's a tip of the iceberg, said Francis Alexander Malify, the lead attorney for the claimants. You're talking 20,000 people who were stuck in the criminal justice system because they had a dispute for an issue with their rental, or that Hertz couldn't find their cars. So was it affected? One particular situation happened this year to Dustin Pollak, who lived in Ellenwood in eastern Tennessee. He had 2 tire problems with Hertz that resulted in him having to get 2 car rentals from Hertz. The second time he went to a local Hertz location on Valentine's Day to exchange his vehicle, He sat in the car for more than 2 hours while he waited for Hertz to process an exchange. Dustin, who had his 9-year-old son in the car, then got a call from his insurance company Progressive, which informed him the vehicle was reported stolen. So that's the same vehicle he was sitting in waiting for them to change. He got a call that it was reported stolen. They can't understand why Hertz has done it, but now Hertz won't even speak with them and they are placing them on hold and hanging up, Pollak said. The rental car was towed the next day and a warrant was issued for his arrest. Today, Dustin still fears that he could be arrested. One man was even stopped and held at gunpoint by a cop after Hertz reported that his loaned rental car was stolen. The man was later released and has filed a claim against Hertz. Moreover, there was another case where Larry Wilcox had to end his campaign to serve as a state representative for Florida. The man, who was in his mid-30s at the time, had police officers show up at his door in regards to an alleged stolen car in his driveway. The car was parked in his driveway that he rented from Hertz. Right? Despite him having a rental agreement and bank statement regarding the rental charges, he was sentenced to 2 years of probation just a few weeks ahead of his election results. This was because Hertz claimed in the trial it had no record of Larry's rental. I had to kill all my dreams of being state representative, he said. To make matters worse, he got arrested for a probation violation that sent him to jail for 180 days. Alright, so guys, this is an ongoing thing that Hertz has been doing, for a period of time now. So I'm not even gonna go through all of this, but I just wanted to highlight to you guys that what is going on with Hertz and a lot of customers, and it doesn't matter how long you have rented from them. You'll never know what will happen at some point or the other. If a cop will show up at your door, or you'll be driving and they pull you over and then they run your name and stuff and they find out that you have a warrant or arrest for a car you rented 5, 6, 7 years ago, right? There was even one person. He's from Colorado. He's a Colorado resident, right? His name is Drew Cesar. He was arrested for stealing a car that he supposedly had rented in Georgia, right? Even though he never rented from Hertz, he claimed, or he has never even been to Georgia, right? But he was arrested for stealing a car from Hertz. So guys, sometimes we went, we go on vacations and stuff and rent car, return it, and that someone just probably take the key. I guess they're not documenting their stuff properly, for the return, or if you have a problem with the car and you return it, get it exchanged for another car, and they don't document it again, then that's where the problems come in. So the cars are there, probably sitting in a lot somewhere, and it's not on their system that it was returned. So there you go, your name is there that you stole their car. So guys, we have to be careful. You can never be too careful because it should have been done properly in the first place, but I'm just saying. So guys, as usual, thanks again for tuning in, and it's been a pleasure as usual. And please remember to like, share, and hit that notification bell. All right, and comment as usual and let me know what you guys think. Okay, all right. So blessed love, people. Take care.